National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Ogle County and north central Illinois, central Winnebago County and north central Illinois, Boone County and north central Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Rockford Airport, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard tornado. Source: indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Rockford Airport, and Cherry Valley around 8 p.m. Belvedere around 8:05 p.m.
Wow, Belvedere's in the polygon.
Thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for north central Rock County. At 7:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Exeter, moving northeast at 25.
Can't hear him very good.
Hazard tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
There, now you can kind of hear him a little bit.
Damage or destroyed.
Holy cow, is it hot out, dude.
Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations
Oh, there's the Winnebago County sirens. I can hear them going off in Rockford.
take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Midwest dads during a storm.
Me and Jordan, I'm watching. It looks like it's going to stay to your south, Ron.
Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. However, gusty winds are still possible. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for northwestern Illinois. Special marine warning remains. This is Noah's Weather Radio.
That's Meridian Implement where we go.
Cool.
And then you gotta shut your door. I can't even.
Severe weather warning signs for Winnebago, Boone, Ogle, Stevenson, and Utah, as well as Rock and Green counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information.
All right, I'm under a tornado warning.
Noah's Weather Radio and high winds and hail. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.